In your opinion, do you believe athletes are overtraining or under resting?
I think it's a general question. I mean, I have athletes who know their body to the T. There's all these recovery watches now, so they know how much sleep they're getting. Is it quality sleep?
Mm-hmm.
They're counting their macros. So I think I think it really depends on the person. Because I could think of athletes in my mind right now who I'd say aren't overtraining or under resting. They do everything perfectly. But I think the key is this. I think the key is if an athlete knows their body or what they're doing. And I think what they're doing is they're not getting I think basically it's a combination. I think they're at times overtraining, at times under resting. But I don't think they're not under resting as far as taking days off. I think what they're doing is they're just not getting the quality of sleep and the type of sleep they need for their bodies to repair. And I think that's the problem. I think a lot of athletes train at night also. And cortisol level comes up like I said before, with a lot of athletes. And cortisol comes up with everybody who trains anytime, whether you train in day or night. So you have the double whammy if you train at night after work and your cortisol levels are high, and you're not going to get the quality night's sleep that your body needs to repair and recover. So I think it's not necessarily, if I said to an athlete, I think you need to rest more, they're not going to think about, they're going to think about how many days do I need to take off. They're not going to think about quality of sleep. I think if you're getting the quality of sleep and you're getting the nutrition your body needs, I think you can train 6 days a week. So I don't think it's necessarily overtraining.